Hello everyone, here's Alan for HiTarget. Today I will show you how to use the SLAM scanning function with the V700S SLAM RTK. Now let's begin.
First, use the NFC function to connect the tablet and the receiver. Then tap Project Info. Tap New. Select the coordinate system of your country. You can find the coordinate system for a region under User Defined. And tap OK to complete the coordinate system setup and create a new project. Next, in the survey interface, tap the SLAM icon and tap Start to create a scanning task. You can modify the task name, creator, and description. Tap OK to enter SLAM initialization, which usually takes around 10 seconds. When scanning tall buildings, slightly tilt the laser scanner upwards toward the structure to ensure the entire building is captured. During scanning, avoid scanning highly reflective objects such as glass, curtain walls, and car windows. Otherwise, the point cloud's results will have more noise. The optimal scanning distance is within 25 meters. When scanning the exterior of a building, you should remain stationary at the corners, and the facades on both sides of the corner should be scanned separately to avoid missing the corner point cloud. After completing the scan, tap the End icon. The collected point cloud data will be saved in RTK's static disk. You can copy it out and perform point cloud post-processing in the Highlighter software.
That's all for the SLAM scanning function. Follow us to unlock more practical surveying skills.